शुभ प्रभात.
Good morning.
शुभ दिन.
Good afternoon.
शुभ संध्या.
Good evening.
शुभ रात्रि.
Good night.
नमस्ते.
Hello.
स्वागत छ.
Welcome.
तिमीलाई कस्तो छ?
How are you?
मलाई ठीक छ.
I am fine.
कस्तो राम्रो दिन.
What a nice day.
म 10 कक्षामा पढ्छु.
I study in class 10.
म गाउँमा बस्छु.
I live in a village.
म क्रिकेट खेल्छु.
I play cricket.
ऊ पानी पिउँछ.
He drinks water.
हामी पुस्तक पढ्छौँ.
We study books.
तिमी पुस्तक पढ्छौ.
You study books.
म कोठामा बस्छु.
I live in a room.
उनीहरू पोखरामा बस्छन्.
They live in Pokhara.
ऊ फ्ल्याटमा बस्छ.
He lives in a flat.
हामी दाल भात खान्छौँ.
We eat dal and rice.
म गर्छु.
I do.
म बिहान 7 बजे उठ्छु.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
ऊ साथीलाई फोन गर्छ.
He calls his friends.
आमा पढाउनुहुन्छ.
Mom teaches.
हजुरबुवा रेडियो सुन्नुहुन्छ.
Grandfather listens to the radio.
बुवा टिभी हेर्नुहुन्छ.
Father watches the television.
आमा कपाल कोर्नुहुन्छ.
Mother combs her hair.
तिमी मुख धोऊ.
Wash your face.
ढोकामा पत्रिका आयो.
The newspaper arrived at the door.
आफ्नो कपडा धोऊ.
Wash your clothes.
आज इन्टरनेट छैन.
There isn't any internet today.
भुइँमा कुच्चो लगाऊ.
Sweep the floor.
पुस्तक पढ.
Read books.
भाँडा माझौँ.
Let's wash dishes.
सुत्न जाऊ.
Go to sleep.
बहिनी मेकअप गर.
Sister, do makeup.
पौडी खेल्न जाऊ.
Let's go swimming.
भाइलाई इमेल पठाऊ.
Send email to brother.
कम्प्युटरमा खेल खेलौँ.
Let's play a game in the computer.
म बिरामी भएँ.
I became sick.
बजार जान कपडा लगाऊ.
Get dressed up to go to the market.
आमा भर्खरै घरबाट निस्कनु भयो.
Mother just left the house.
साथी स्कुल पुग्यो.
Friend has reached school.
आज सहरमा साथी भेटेँ.
I met a friend in the city.
8 बजेसम्म काम गरौँ.
Let's work till 8 o'clock.
अहिले 5 बज्यो.
It's 5 o'clock right now.
आज यतै बस्छु.
I'll stay here today.
8:15 बज्यो.
It's 8:15.
गिलासमा चिसो पानी छ.
There is cold water in the glass.
एकैछिन घुम्न निस्कौँ.
Let's go around for a while.
अहिले टिभी हेर्छु.
I'll watch TV right now.
म साँझ मात्रै आउँछु.
I'll only come in the evening.
म केटाकेटीको लागि लुगा किन्छु.
I will buy clothes for the children.
बहिनी बिहानै उठ्छिन्.
Sister wakes up in the morning.
उनी काममा व्यस्त छिन्.
She is busy with work.
यो मेरो झोला हो.
This is my bag.